Reduce waste generation. One of the best ways to dispose of waste material is to avoid generating them in the first place. POE will suggest customers to reduce waste generation by optimizing their PCB design, using less material and choosing eco-friendly alternatives. For example, you can minimize the numbers and size of holes, vias, and pads on your PCB. Use surface mount technology instead of through-hole technology, and select lead-free and halogen-free material. You can also use software tools to check your PCB layout and for errors and defects before fabrication and assembly. Second, reuse waste material. Another way to dispose of waste material is to reuse them for other purposes or applications. You can reuse waste material by recovering and reconditioning them, or by donating or selling them to other parties. For example, you can reuse solder dross by melting it or extracting the useful solders, or you can reuse solder mask by applying it to other PCBs or components. You can also reuse packaging material by storing or shipping other products in them, or you can reuse cleaning agents by filtering or purifying them. The third way is to recycle waste material. A third way to dispose of waste material is to recycle them into new products or materials. You can recycle waste material by collecting and sorting them, or by sending them to specialized facilities or companies. For example, you can recycle PCBs by separating the metal and non-metal parts, or you can recycle solder by smelting it or refining it. You can also recycle conformal coating by dissolving it and reforming it, or you can recycle adhesives by breaking them down and synthesizing them. A fourth way to dispose of waste material is to comply with the relevant regulation and standards that govern the management and disposal of hazardous waste. You can comply with regulations by following the guidelines and procedures of the authorities and agencies that oversee the environmental and health aspect of PCB assembly. For example, you can comply with the restriction of hazardous substance directive by avoiding the use of certain toxic substances, or you can comply with the waste electronic equipment directly by ensuring the proper collection and treatment of electronic waste. You can also comply with the Occupation Safety and Health Administration regulation by providing ethical training and protection for your workers.